I'm in Jamaica. Where are you?
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another freaking video. Your girl is on the way to Jamaica. Y'all, it's like 4 o'clock in the It's like 4 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm actually on a time crunch right now. I'm supposed to be leaving my house right now, so I'm getting ready to go to the airport. You know what? I think I'm gonna restart this when I'm done getting ready because I'm tired. Hold on. Oh my god! What's up, my beauties? Welcome back to another freaking video. So, as I started the previous part of the vlog, we have made it past TSA and customs and all of that. We are now about to go get some breakfast. You said put a cheeseburger? Yeah. Y'all know before we go to Montego Bay, we gotta eat real good. So we can take us a good little nap on the plane. And of course we got a good old mimosa. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is mimosa number 5, y'all. I am ready to go to sleep on this plane right now. We about to start boarding though. We spent most of our time at the restaurant just getting the pre-gaming basically. You see us boarding now. Y'all probably can't hear me, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's call mommy. Hey, sugar. Yeah, they board in group A and we're group B.
Hey, Ma, we litty already.
Yeah, we had like 5 mimosas.
Oh my god, already?
Yes.
That little thing that's in front of him is a weight machine.
Oh, for real?
Yes, when he dragged the bag on it, it's like a little weight machine.
It's a waiter. Yeah, he waited.
Oh.
Yeah, he definitely waited for sure.
Oh, okay.
You think we scamming him? You crazy.
I thought I was getting away.
Hell no.
But you know what I realized? First of all, we at the same gate that we went to DR. The same gate. And I said, oh yeah.
This same gate I was at for DR.
I said, I remember my mom had me walking 30 minutes to go find some Dunkin' Donuts for her. And then, but yeah, we bored, but yeah, girl, we gonna tell them. We finally made it on the plane, y'all. Yeah, no, I always do the window seats.
You want to pack this? We'll put this here, right?
No, I'm gonna put this.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl. It's out, oh. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you remain, you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover.
Y'all, we made it to Montego Bay.
I want to change. I'm hot.
No, I'm baking. I feel like a celebrity right now. Good pictures? Yeah. Okay.
Bro, look at the camera.
You look at the camera. Botanist. We made it to Montego Bay. Yes. Wait, shout yourself out.
Yeah, man, you know the vibe, man. Randy Jerry, you know the vibe. We Jamaica, where are you?
Where are you? Wait, we gotta do that again one more time. Okay.
Yeah, man, we in Jamaica. Where are you?
Where are you?
Cook with the best, you know the vibe. Let's go.
Period. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Yes. Oh, yes. Yes,
Oh, yes.
please. Oh, yes.
This rum punch, man.
Yes.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome to Mo Bay.
This is how we do it.
Yes. This is how we do it. We got the water.
Badness.
Yes.
Yeah, badness, man.
Let's get that.
Just touched down.
Pouring us up on the.
Yeah, man. Funny strip.
Thank you.
Ding dong. Shot o'clock.
Shot o'clock.
Mary is here today.
Thank you. I'm not gonna lie though. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you? United States? UK? What you ate for lunch? McDonald's? If you need like hot we're going to get some authentic Jamaican food. Wait, let me call my mommy. Let's call my mommy. Cause she on this trip with us. Hey Sugar Domes, I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? So we about to go get some authentic Jamaican food. Yeah, we just. Okay, so we have $100 in Jamaican money.
How much is this worth in the US?
Probably like $1.
Yo, bro, how much is this worth in the US? No, I just said no.
Thank you. Cents?
Wow. I didn't expect that.
No, me either.
Because, you know, it's a no.
But you know, think about it. That's
Get it?
why most of them like to have United States
Money.
dollars rather than them getting Jamaican dollars.
What's the highest bill that you guys have?
That's $100 bill.
Like, equal up to US money. No.
Oh, I get you asking. Yeah. Finally made it. Oh, I can hear my echo. Ciao. We finally made it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me show y'all the room though, because this room is huge. Hold on, let me step up. Yeah. Nice old tub. Yeah. Bathroom, shower. Yep. bed, TV, and then, how did you open this? Yes. Yes. But wait, do y'all see the view? And then you can see the Sandals bungalows all the way over there. They over there doing their jet cars. Oh my God. Yes, we did that. Yep, did that for show.
I thought this was the smaller bottle. It's then now it's the bigger bottle. It's the $70 bottle, but still.
Yeah. Yo, we paid 100. How much was that? 140 for a damn bottle of Don Julio. Like, that's crazy. But this view is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm about to have a time on vacation, okay? Like, oh my God, once it is hot as hell out here. Like, I be complaining about the heat because I do not like heat, bro. Like, I don't like heat at all. Me and summertime, we don't go together. When I was a kid, maybe, but now I can't do it. So I'm gonna have a real tan when I come back, but it's okay. But we just waiting for our bags to come upstairs because baby, I was not carrying it. Like, I just wasn't doing it. We about to take a shower. See what the resort is giving. Look at the breeze and the hair just flowing. Like just look at that. So yeah, we about to take a shower, see what the resort is hitting for, and yeah, we gonna do that. I'll be back. I drive to both these bitches follow. I'm happy.
You really did just big one.
Thank you. We at the bar getting a drink. Y'all, we done went to the pool, hair all wet, but it's going, you know, I got that good hair that I sell, so it's gonna be, you know, it's just curling right up. Just curling right up. But I want y'all to see this view.
It's pouring over there.
You see it, right?
Over there.
Oh, let me show the cam. You could look at it through the camera. You see it? How dark it is? This view is beautiful though. It's pouring over there too. Right over there. In the middle. Right here, y'all.
Shut them out in America, protect your little visa. So we take it to the streets, I'm not afraid of it. Me don't chat to Satan and Jesus. Around here, go up, so when them a can't see us, you top but me long rifle tear up. Ain't no some man we take box down and drape up. Yo, Mr. Switchy.
Oh, y'all, it is pouring. It is pouring down raining right now. We were supposed to go to the Ryu party, the neon party, but it is pouring down with lightning, and I don't know how that's about to go, but it said it's supposed to stop at 8, so we gonna see. But right now we just chilling with our beautiful room. No lie, this is my favorite part. Like bathtub. And my ring light is bugging, y'all. Look. It will come on, fully charged, then it turns off. Boom. I don't know what's going on. She's bugging. Y'all, we on the way to go get some. Wait, I keep zooming in. We on the way to go get some food. It was pouring for mad long. And now we on the way to go get some food. Yep. Floor is super wet. Alright, yeah, we keep going this way. See everybody coming outside. They trying to party tonight. I'm good. I can pay attention. Yes. Wait, hold on. Come this way. I know, I do be saying things, but I really know where I'm going for. I know where I'm going. Restaurants closed. We gotta get breakfast in the morning. Ciao. We about to have our own party. Like,
Julio.
wait, hold on.
Not the duty free dog.
Wait. We about to have our own party.
Yeah, that's the $200 dog.
Yeah. Y'all don't even know we paid $200 for Don Julio. So we about to have our own party. Take a nice good shower and have our own Don Julio party. The real party was cool, but it could have, you know, it could have been better. They could have played. If they was playing like good music, yeah. But you gotta think about it. It's the resort. They gotta cater to everybody. So when we go to the club tomorrow,
I ain't even gonna say it on camera, right?
what? Oh,
Like,
y'all, they was playing the YT people type of music. If you know, you know. So yeah. And then I had this heavy camera. I know it's smaller than my other Canon camera, y'all, but this camera is still heavy. And my back hurt. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm about to say next from carrying all this ass, okay?
not really.
Like,
A lot of ass to carry.
you feel me?
Might just give some away if you know what I mean, heard?
It's alright. It's all.
Let me hold something.
It's all yours.
I ain't gonna lie, I might need a little pinch of that.
It's all yours. It's all yours. All right. Yes, we go on the right way, then we turn right.
Wait, you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, no,
we turn right. We turn right. You see, I know my directions.
Nah, it's 'cause
Yeah, I got my fan with me. I never played about my fan. This is what keeps it. You got my phone, right?
Yeah, bro.
That's the most important thing.
Your phone?
That's where all our documents is at.
Nice in my pocket.
Y'all get y'all man who gonna hold y'all phone, cause
For sure.
baby, one thing about it, I'm not gonna hold my phone. So yeah, ain't nothing to hide over here.
I ain't gonna lie, they was playing
If they was playing some like some
five tunes from the start,
Vibes Cartel, Valiant, you
You'd
feel
have to
me?
carry me back to this room.
We was gonna have to carry each other.
We was gonna have to call them.
But you know what? It's the first night. So we gonna take it, hold on, they can't even see. Okay, we gonna take it easy tonight because we was up since like 4 a.m. Well, I was. He never went to sleep. You hear something?
Is that Pop Smoke?
Yo, they
Fabio?
Yes, bro.
Fabio.
Yes, baby. Nah, not as soon as we leave. They want to play the hood tunes.
Am I bugging right now?
No, that's what they're playing.
Hear that shit?
Yes. It's alright. We about to have our own party.
Nah, gangsta.
Cause.
Oh yeah, facts. We just go down this way, right?
Yeah. Cause that's where Villa 6 is gonna be at. Yeah, we got the best view.
5, but we found a way to get from 6 to 5 quick.
Real quick.
Quick, fast, and easy.
Facts. They can't even see us, but yeah, my feet hurt so bad. Like I don't even like.
Yeah, I hope that AC is booming in there.
I hope so too, cause I don't even know if we turned it off or not. But
we didn't turn it off.
Yeah, we was having problems with the AC at first, and I'm like, we need all the AC we can get.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm still full like that.
I mean, not me too.
That food was alright. Like,
it was mid, but it was okay.
It was mid.
It felt like filled the belly. Cause we didn't eat all day. All we had was really our breakfast.
Yeah, and then we had that little jerk chicken spot.
Yeah.
You feel me? But
we need to find some fire oxtails.
Yeah, nah, no cap. They ain't even have oxtails here. I was surprised.
I know.
Mind you, I thought I seen it.
I thought so too.
I'm like, yo, where the oxtail at? That's not no oxtail.
They don't got nothing, y'all. But
it did what it had to do.
It did. I just hope breakfast is good too. Hold on, y'all.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you need this.
What the fuck?
Matter of fact, I'm gonna take it off.
Nah, you Gucci.
Okay.
Get off the shirt. Yo, what? Like it's cooler in here than it is in fucking.
Exactly. At least when we get off the babe right here. Oh yes, AC booming. Yes. Whew. Lock the door. Oh my gosh, y'all, my feet hurt so bad.
An alarm has been activated in the building.
Y'all put the green one out there?
Wait, an alarm has been activated.
Shit. Oh yes, it feels good to take.
My back hurts.
Oh, shit.
I know. We could sit on the balcony tonight.
What the fuck? Oh shit.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, the eagle fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you want. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place getting noisy. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, panny lane in the street and the main.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, it is so beautiful out here. Like, it's finally the next day. I went to sleep. First of all, it's not early in the morning. It's 8:13 in the morning. Technically back home it would be 9 o'clock right now, but it's an hour behind. I just got up and I'm just trying to really just take in this view. Like, it's just so freaking beautiful, bro. Like, I can't get enough of it. I feel like I needed this. Like, I needed to reset and just be by the water and just relax, okay? Like, I feel like me being in school, having work and everything, it was taking over. It was taking over. I had no time for myself, so I'm happy I could finally be here in another country with my boo. So yes, but today, first of all, last night we ended up going to the Rio party. Y'all know how y'all go to a party and you feel like it's not jumping, right? And then as soon as you leave, they start playing all the lit music, bro. That happened to us last night. They started playing all the music from Brooklyn, all the music that we basically know, and we was like, really, nigga, like, are y'all serious? But yeah, they was playing all of that and it was fun, I'm not gonna lie. But we was too tired. Like, our feet and everything was hurting. I'm like, yeah, baby, it's time to go. Our feet and everything started hurting. And then our tour guide, he was basically trying to say, he was, well, not say, but he was basically asking us if we wanted to go do our excursions tomorrow. I'm like, bro, we just got here. We need time to unwind and relax. For me, it's too and then we're gonna do it early in the morning today. No, we're gonna do our excursions tomorrow, and I wanted to do like a Sunday fun day type of excursion day, like, you know. So yeah, that's really what I'm doing. Last night it poured so bad for like a good hour. Like, it was pouring. So now we definitely feeling the heat today, but I'm not gonna lie, these bungalows over there is beautiful. Let's see. Y'all can't even really see the background. I'm gonna see if I can fix the settings 1 second. I wanna try to see the background. But yeah. So my boyfriend is still sleeping. I'm gonna let him get his rest because the night before the flight, he did not go to sleep at all. So he was basically up for 24 hours. So I'm gonna let him get his rest at least until like 9:30, 10 o'clock. And I'm gonna just make some content, honestly. I'm gonna just make some content. I do wanna go to the beach today though. I do want to go to the beach. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh, this is some fire hair content. Wait, hold on. I gotta make some hair content, y'all. Yep, it's 9 o'clock and the driver said he taking us to Kingston today. You hear me?
Huh?
The driver said he's taking us to Kingston today.
You must have where today?
He's taking us to Kingston today.
Where? To what?
Cause I told him that I wanted to see like the trenches of Jamaica.
Trenches? Why the fuck would you want to see the trenches, babe?
What you mean?
What you mean? Why you want to see the trenches?
We gotta explore Jamaica.
Oh no. You trying to get us in some shit, huh?
What do you mean by that?
I want to see the nice spots. The trenches is... Once we not walking around like we celebrities.
No, yeah, like everything. Like, we gotta walk around, try their food, see the gangsters. You with it, right? You're not gonna answer me? Or did you just fall back asleep on me? Nah, I'm playing. I was just playing. Come on, act like you know, okay? I am not going to nobody trenches in Jamaica. That was a funny one, y'all. I ain't about to put this on my vlog. We at the poolside.
I'm mad that pool is so packed all the time. Like,
yeah. And it just keep getting packed and packed and packed.
Stuff mad far just to, it could be no seats like right there. Like.
Yeah, we going to that pool? We going to that one? Oh, just in general.
Yeah, like I want to go to that one, but it's just like so.
It's too much people. Like I would want to, but
You can't swim around and shit.
no. And it's just like everybody just everywhere. Outfit of the day: pink top, bathing suit under, little denim jeans. I mean shorts, my little pink slides. See. Of course, my cute little bag. Unlimited amount of rum punches. Yeah, it's ready, shout out.
Yeah, man, sir. You have to smoke it. Yeah. Which color you want to get?
I want a Jamaican one though. Yeah.
You tell me where to put it, right? Right here?
Yeah, that's fine. Reporting live from Montego Bay, Jamaica. Let's see, y'all can't even see the houses all the way up there, but this is just so beautiful. And it's raining right now, but it's okay. We made it back in time. But it's just so beautiful. I can't imagine having a regular view like this. We got an ocean front. Damn. That's how we do it. Cause y'all know, me and him, we're very bougie. We're two bougie kids. We like certain things a certain way. Oh, it's cold.
It's nice in here.
Did they clean? Oh my God, the bed is made up.
Yo.
We back in the room. I'm gonna turn the shower on so we can wash our feet.
Well, right now. They would have caught that. Oh, it's right here. Come on.
Yeah.
Right now.
Ooh.
They got to see me.
What's up, you guys? I feel like I have not talked to y'all all day. Like, I feel like I really just been living in the moment. It's so blurry. Oh, I think I made that worse, but it's so hot outside. All right, I think that's better. I just been living so much in the moment. Like, Jamaica is so beautiful. Like, Oh my god, I just like, I don't know, Jamaica is so beautiful. Like right now I'm just catching a vibe by myself on the balcony, just chilling and just taking in God's creation, you know. Like I was just sitting here like, God is so good, God is so great, and I'm just so thankful how just everything of I just never would have thought I would have been here. I'm not gonna lie. Like the vacation made it out the group chat. But tonight we are going to Club 2727 and I can't wait to see what the vibes is going to be. Okay, I can't wait. We just came back from the beach and the pool, so my hair has been doing so well in this. Like, this is a body wave wig, y'all. Body wave wig, and she's giving deep wave, so y'all know she gonna be on that website real soon. Okay, this is exactly what you need. No product, no nothing. Actually, all the product actually like went out, so yeah. But I think I'm most excited for our excursions tomorrow. Like, I'm actually really gonna vlog that. Like, that part I'm really gonna vlog. I'm gonna have my camera out and I'm just gonna have him do the behind the scenes for my TikTok vlogs and all of that. But I'm actually gonna do like a vlog tomorrow, like a bamboo rafting vlog and then ATV, because I think we do both excursions in one day. But yeah, it was just raining not too long ago, and now the sun trying to make its way back out, but it's just so beautiful. Like, look at the water. Like, look. But you know what they say, when you get on vacation, it's no sleep time. But maybe I'm gonna have to take a little nap. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna have to take a little nap. But yeah, I love it here so much. Like, I think this is why, like, when I see people on TikTok and they be like, yo, Jamaica is just a place you just always come back to. Yeah, I believe it. I believe it now. Like, I believe the hype. And even though like it's hurricane season and it's been like raining on and off, it only rains for about an hour and that's it. Like last night it rained probably about like an hour and a half. And actually we thought it was raining from here, but it's everything that's coming off of here, like the ceiling or whatnot, the roof. So yeah, we outside. Okay, and I got me a little drink that I made. I got me a little drink. The only thing that I would say, so let me talk to y'all about the resort. So we're staying at Montego Bay, right? And the only thing that I would say that this resort is tea. Like, they be partying till whenever. But the only thing that I would say that I do not like about this resort is that when it's time to eat, like when dinner and everything, like when everything is open and ready to go, like the buffets and whatnot, it be so packed. Like, that's the only thing that I would say that it just turned me off. But it's still not bad. The food is not bad either. But tonight, for sure, I'm gonna be documenting everything. We're gonna go and get actual street food, and tonight I want oxtails. I had enough jerk chicken. I had some jerk chicken from the jerk chicken hut on the resort. It was good, but I honestly think DR jerk chicken was way better. If y'all know, y'all know. Every time that when I was in DR, all I kept saying was like, yo, this is so good. This jerk chicken is so good. And I said I need to see what tops their jerk chicken. I'm like, why not try Jamaican jerk chicken? And I honestly think it's the same. They use a lot of extra red crushed, what is it, red crushed peppers or whatever it is. They use a lot of that. My mouth is on fire. Like, literally, I was talking to my boyfriend like this. Yes, I don't know, my mouth is on fire. I'm talking to him with my top lip like this. But yeah, man, This is just the life. This is just the life. This is why I gotta make so much money to where we could just do this on a regular. Like, this is just beautiful. I can't get enough of this. I really cannot get enough of this. I love it here. I don't know what our next vacation gonna be, but we're gonna be somewhere on another island. I do want to try like those overwater bungalows, but I don't think I could just know that I'm sleeping on water. Like, that's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Another thing too, so far I have not gotten no mosquito bites, nothing. But let me not say that too fast, because the minute you say you don't got something is when it start happening. So we ain't even gonna do that. But yeah, we just here chilling right now where I am. I'm just watching the waters. It's just so peaceful, watching the people kayaking on their little boats and whatnot. Hey, look at him down there, just kayaking away. Kayaking away. But yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all later when we start doing, like, you know, getting ready and all of that. So yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning from Jamaica again. Y'all, I totally left y'all. Blank last night. Let me tell you the stupidity that me and this boy done did. We were supposed to go out to the club last night, right? We ate so much food at dinner last night, bro. Like, it was crazy. Like, it was OD. So I think we caught the itis from that, right? Get upstairs, you know, do what you do. Feel me? And then after that, I think we had like a few drinks. It was so funny. We looked at each other, started yawning, and we already knew from there, like, yeah, nah, we need a nap. A nap turned into a whole sleep. When I woke up, it was 3 o'clock in the morning. I said, oh shit, we ain't even make it to the club. But I'm not pressed about it. I'm dead not pressed about it, but I'm just like, damn. But it's like 7 o'clock right now. We're about to go get some breakfast. We're definitely going to the beach today. And we're going to see what the vibes is giving. And then we got our excursions. They come pick us up at 12. So we're doing bamboo rafting and ATV. So yeah. Hey y'all. So this is the OOTD. She's tea. I didn't wet my hair, nothing today. It just don't make no sense too, because I'm about to get right in the beach water. So yeah. The lighting in here is so bad, but we going to go get some breakfast, because leaving it up to him, we ain't gonna never get no food.
Yeah, no.
So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all at breakfast.
Alright, man.
Yeah, we finally made it to breakfast. We going to the water park. Yep. Whew, we just ate breakfast. I'm full. I had 2 mimosas. I needed about 10, not gonna lie. But so far, Jamaica has been real nice. Real beautiful, real hot. So we finna be 2 big kids that we are and go down these slides. It opened at 10? Oh, it's dead not. Damn, it's not open.
See, 10 a.m. to 12.
Where you see it at?
Huh?
Where you see that at?
Miss Great Eyes.
Oh yeah, I see it. But you gotta think it's like trees and stuff there. Okay, so then.
30 minutes, I don't mind.
Oh shit. Oh shit, I'm so sorry. Oh, you didn't tell me somebody was right here.
Because you just like go like this.
Yeah.
But you stop.
I'm like, what the fuck? And you know what's so crazy? Because I felt somebody was just right there, but I'm like, you know what, let me just continue doing what I'm doing. Shit, it's hot.
Time will bring the real end about you out. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always with you. You feel the same. Oh, you played me dirty, gave me so bad. Toy with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription.
Private driver
when we walk on the plane in your band, we
Wagwan.
a rifle of people, so we no play bands, them operator. We do operation. See your punch of it like a little waste man, but if me the jagat, pussy you was swallow bass and can they try by your power of pain and
ready, shot o'clock. Shot o'clock, Betty, shot o'clock.
I just said total. I don't know, bro. Yeah, you got it right now. She can drop it. What? You know, bro. You don't know, bro. Si on voit lost.
Yeah, we about to get on the ATV. I'm vlogging from my phone because I'm not trying to bring my camera.
Thank you.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome.
To the Salawa Outpost. All right. My name is Dania. I'll be your stop. Good. Awesome. Now, how you turn? Push and pull. It's way easier when it started. Don't think you're going to the gym today. All right.
It's done just you good. It's done just you. Done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so blame me among. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, bossa, we will do. Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I not see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me.
yeah, fine. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine.